How to align rotation of any object in Plasticity? I have two easy methods for you. First one, if you want to align this object to this object, it's pretty easy to do. You need to create a line and you need to start it here in the bottom of your object. And this line needs to be parallel, so hover your mouse over here to the object that you want to align it to and press shift just to have the guides for parallel line and drop it like that. Good. Now you need to select the object you want to align and press R and then press F for free rotation. Now go into the beginning of your line, left click and draw a line like this. It will give you some type of line and you need to draw it like this. It needs to be right over here. So snap to the back side of your object like that. You take it and now you can simply just rotate it here and left click, right click, and you're done here. Now you have a perfectly aligned object. The second method is a little bit more complicated. Let's assume you have the completely crapped object, and if you press rotation, your pivot is very poorly positioned. So to align this object to this object, first thing first, you need to make sure that snappings are on. So all these things should be on. And second, you need to select your bad boy and press Ctrl D. This thing will appear. You do a left click and it will take the axis that you will use as a guide for alignment and just snap it here to the preferred object. If it's flipped like that, you can press F to flip it other way. And if your axis is not right, you can just change them by pressing X, Y, or Z. In my case, I will use the Z axis. And now you just press right click and right click again to apply it. Press escape and you will have something like that. But you want to make it perfectly back to the normal. So what do you need to do here? You need to take your object, take your pivot, put it somewhere over here. It doesn't matter actually. You just need to be able to turn it like that on the normal axis. And when you kind of position it almost right, you will need a line again. And I will put it right in the middle of my object. So it will be like a symmetrical center of it. I will align it to this thing again to make it parallel. And I will put it something like that. So I will have it just straight here. And now I need to find the center of the actual object. So in my case, it's going to be here, so like the actual center. And I will press left click and just move it here to the bottom in the starting point of the first line. Left click, right click, you're good. And now all you need to do is just repeat the first method. Select the object, press R, press F for freestyle rotation, and left click on the bottom in the starting position of these two lines and kinda align it to the second line, which represents the true center of this thing. And left click it and just snap it here. Right click, press enter, and here you go. Here's your beautiful mesh. And now to make your pivot great again, you can press R, V, and reposition your pivot in some better place, for example like this, and just press W to reset it. Now you have your object with resetted locations, rotations, and perfectly aligned to another object. I hope the trick helped you, and now you can go and model something cool today. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!